What is a ratio? Well, simply, a ratio is just a comparison of two quantities with the same units. As an example, maybe we might have that some recipe requires 3 cups of flour to every 2 cups of sugar. This is a ratio because both the flour and the sugar are being measured with the same units, specifically here cups. However, because in a ratio they have to have the same units, we don't need to actually specify what the units are. We could simply just call them parts. So for this one, this would mean this would be 3 parts flour to 2 parts sugar. We are simply just saying with that they need to have the same unit, but it could be other units. I could instead have it be tablespoons, and it would give me the same end result, just a different amount of it. Also, with a ratio, we can write this 3 different ways. So our end product, we don't actually need the units on it. So with this, I would have as a fraction, I could write it as being 3/2. I could also write it as 2 numbers separated by a colon. So this would give me 3:2. And then lastly, I could write it as 2 numbers separated by the word 2. So this would give me the ratio 3:2. So now let's work through a couple of examples with this. We have that a class has 25 female students and 7 male students. And I want to find out the ratio of females to males in this class. And this can be written as 3 different ways. The first way I could write this would be 25/7. And I'm specifically choosing to put the 25 on the top and the 7 on the bottom because of how it asked me to write the ratio. It asked me to write the ratio as females to males, so I'm going to have females in the numerator position. I can also write this in as 25:7, or lastly, we could write this as 25:7. The next problem, we have that on average, you get 7 hours asleep to 17 hours awake. And now this could be then written as 7/17, 7:17, and then lastly 7/17.